Okay, this is the pairing sequence. There's two parts to it. There's the speaker and the acorn. The speaker has a button on the side. Let's see if I can show it to you. It's a little hard to see, but it's under a rubber boot, and it has a little power symbol on it. So you're going to press that, and you'll see that the speaker begins to flash blue. Once that's ready, you double-click this button under the blue light. Just press it twice. And then hit this minus button a number of times to turn the speaker all the way down. That's important because when it connects with the acorn, you can get some bad feedback if you don't do that. On the bottom of the ChirpSounds unit, the power button has the same symbol as the speaker, so you're going to press and hold that for a slow count of 6 until you see a red and blue light flashing, and then we're going to let go. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then let go. Okay, so the two units will now talk to each other. It's called pairing. They have a little electronic conversation back and forth. You'll see the light on the ChirpSounds stop flashing red and blue, and then a number of blue flashes, and then a confirmation tone on the speaker. Okay, wasn't much of a confirmation tone, but they are connected now. The ChirpSounds unit will blink a series of blue flashes periodically. The speaker will be a solid blue. Now, if I turn the speaker back up, they will feed back, so I won't do that. But once you have this part done, you hang the acorn outside in the tree, go back inside, turn the speaker up, and you're ready to have the ChirpSounds experience.